I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening WhatsApp and going straight to Settings, Account, Privacy. This is where the fingerprint option lives. Once there, tap Screen Lock or Fingerprint Lock to begin setup. You will be asked to confirm your device passcode, so make sure it's ready. This ties WhatsApp to your phone's security. Do this now so WhatsApp can query the system fingerprint manager. Once the system prompts, follow the phone's enrollment confirmations. This links your biometric key to app-level locking for quick, secure access. Once your fingerprint is recognized by the system, adjust the lock timing inside WhatsApp. Choose immediately, 1 minute, or 30 minutes to balance convenience and security. Make sure to decide whether message previews should show on the lock screen. Hide previews if you want stronger privacy. Next, confirm by touching the fingerprint sensor when WhatsApp asks. You may need to rescan if the sensor misses. Finally, test by closing the app and reopening to verify the lock engages at your chosen interval. This proves everything is working. To finish, test unlocking WhatsApp several times to ensure consistency. Open, lock, and relock to observe the exact behavior. If the fingerprint fails, go to your phone settings and re-enroll the fingerprint or clean the sensor. Smudges and wet fingers cause errors. Make sure WhatsApp and your device OS are up to date, since mismatched versions can break biometric prompts. If problems persist, disable and re-enable the WhatsApp fingerprint lock, then restart the phone. That usually resolves lingering handshake issues between apps and system biometrics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.